today's video, I went thrift shopping, and I have never gone like true thrift shopping before. I've maybe bought like 2 items in my life from a Goodwill, not counting like stuff I've bought for like Halloween costumes and things like that. But I'm always like there donating clothes because I have a lot of clothes. It's a little bit of a problem. And I've seen some thrifting hauls lately where people find like the coolest things. So I thought I would try my hand at thrifting and just show you guys what I got and how I'm planning on styling everything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and let me know if you want to see some more thrifting hauls or maybe a video where I vlog while I'm thrifting. I think that could be fun too. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first place I went was Goodwill, and I got 3 items there. So going into Goodwill, I was a little bit skeptical because I feel like I can never find anything good at Goodwill. But this time, I was so determined to find something cute. Like, literally, I went through every single rack. Yeah, and yeah, I found 3 items, and 2 of them were actually from the kids section. So a little tip for you guys, if you're thrifting, don't exclude the kids section because the extra large kid sizes totally fit, like an adult small. So the first thing I got is this ribbed red turtleneck. It has like the lettuce edge sleeves and on the bottom too. It's also pretty form-fitting, probably because it's from the kids section. This is like an Old Navy kid size 12. I've been like really into turtlenecks lately and like styling them for winter, and I was on the lookout for one in this thrift store, and I was definitely surprised that I found this one in the kids section. But it's actually really cute and super on trend, especially with like the lettuce edge sleeves. That's super trendy right now. I think this would look so cute with like a patterned skirt or maybe some paper bag shorts or even just like tucked into a pair of high-waisted jeans. I know it's not the holidays anymore and I'm a little bit late on the whole red thing, but I do think I can still get some use out of this winter and definitely next winter. The next thing I got is this cropped jean jacket. It's kind of like a medium wash. I already have one jean jacket that's like more of a dark wash denim, but it doesn't really match everything. I think this has like more of a casual look to it and it would look super cute with like a dress or something. This probably isn't something I'd wear in the winter time, but once spring comes, I think this will just look super cute with like tank tops and dresses and things like that. Also, I'm not actually sure if it's meant to be cropped, but I think maybe because it's a kid's size, it is on the shorter side, which I really like. And this is actually also Old Navy at a kid's large. And the last thing I got from Goodwill is this like kind of cropped navy color Ralph Lauren quarter zip. So yeah, this is actually an adult size, and on the front left corner it just says Polo Jeans Company. So pretty subtle, not like too in your face name brand, and I was actually so excited I found this because like it's a really good quality find. It's pretty timeless, it won't really go out of style. I mean, it's pretty much just like a sweatshirt. It's also like super soft and it's not even like pilling on the sleeves or anything. So I don't think whoever had this before wore it too much. So it's pretty much like a brand new find, which is great. After Goodwill, I went to Salvation Army, and this store was huge. It was like 3 times the size of the Goodwill store, and honestly, I was very overwhelmed. And despite the fact that they had a ton of clothes, I could not find like anything. So the only thing I got from there is this red New York sweatshirt from the men's section. Really big, but I love big sweatshirts. I wear them to school and to sleep, and pretty much like whenever I'm not filming a video, I'm probably in a sweatshirt. And this one is also just super soft on the inside, and there's no pilling or anything, so once again, probably pretty new. But yeah, that is all I got from there. Next, I went to a local consignment store, which was definitely more expensive than like a Goodwill type store because they actually pay you to bring your clothes in. But I did have some good finds and still definitely on the cheaper side. So the first thing I found are these PacSun white mom jean shorts. I love high-waisted shorts. It's pretty much all I live in over the summer. And the only pair of high-waisted white shorts I have are just like really awkwardly tight. They're from Hollister like 5 years ago, so these will probably be replacing those. I could finally get rid of them. And these were only about $9, so definitely much cheaper than if I were to like buy them in store. Next, one of my favorite finds of this whole shopping trip is this fur-lined Levi's jacket. So this is actually in a size large, so it's pretty big, but I do like the oversized denim jacket trend because you can kind of like wear them off the shoulder. And in this case, it just makes it that much warmer because, you know, there's just fur all along the inside. This was a bit more expensive though. I think it was like $40, but I think these retail for like over $100. So definitely still a good find. I was really on the hunt for some like cool jackets. Fortunately though, I didn't really find too many, but I do think this one's pretty cool. I also got these high top Nike sneakers in like this gray suede material. These are actually a size 6 and I'm a size 7, so they're pretty tight, but I'm hoping they'll stretch because they're suede, and also it's definitely worth the pain because These are so cute, and they were only $16. And last but not least, I just got this gold E necklace. It's actually one of like the new items they sell in the consignment store, so this was 10 bucks. So not that cheap, but honestly, I really wanted just like a simple gold necklace I could wear like every day, because I already wear this gold choker every day, and I feel like it needs like something else with it. So this is just totally perfect for that. I've been really into gold jewelry lately, as you can see by like the earrings and the choker. I just think it like complements every single outfit, and I think it really works with my skin tone too. So I've just like been on the lookout for tons of gold jewelry and stuff. And yeah, this one is like really perfect. Super simple and cute, and just like perfect for everyday wear. So yeah, that is it for my first time thrifting haul. I know there wasn't a ton of items here, but I do hope you guys liked seeing what I found. It was definitely an interesting experience for me, and it's a lot more challenging than regular shopping just because you really have to look to find the good items, but I did like the challenge and it was a lot of fun. So I would definitely be up to doing one of these videos again if you guys want to see it. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me on all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!